Welcome to Online Tools Master, your hub for smart browser-based tools that save time and boost creativity. Today we're diving into the PNG Alpha Mask Generator, a powerful utility that creates a visual alpha mask from any PNG image to reveal transparent, semi-transparent, and opaque regions. To use this tool, open your browser and go to www.onlinepngtools.com. Then head over to PNG Alpha Mask Generator from the list of tools. Once you're there, just drop your PNG image into the left panel, and the alpha mask appears instantly on the right. In this example, we generate a classic alpha mask of a PNG image of a rambutan fruit. To do this, we set black as the color for both transparent and semi-transparent pixels, and white for opaque areas. We also turned on the Real Alpha Mask option to keep feathered transitions around the edges. Once you're happy with the result, just click Save As to download the alpha mask. In this example, we give the alpha mask a custom color scheme. To create this, we selected purple for transparency, light sky blue for semi-transparent, and light sky blue again for opaque pixels. We also enabled Real Alpha Mask to preserve those smooth transitions. Once done, just hit Save As to export your custom alpha mask. Okay, so this time we focus on capturing those refined edges by isolating the semi-transparent pixels. To do this, we set orange for transparent, black for semi-transparent, and orange again for opaque, and we also enabled Real Alpha Mask. Once the result looks good, just click Save As to download it. The PNG Alpha Mask Generator is perfect for analyzing transparency, creating feathered edges, and making custom masks for design and video workflows. Check out our recent tutorials on icon color changer to recolor any PNG icon, and text-to-logo adder to brand your images with customized text logos. Ready to make your own alpha masks? Head to onlinepngtools.com, find the PNG Alpha Mask Generator, and, well, start exploring your PNGs like never before. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Online Tools Master for more smart tool walkthroughs every week.